Hey, what's up, Theta Network Holders? So this is an emergency update. You know why this is an emergency? Because, my brother, as you can see here, the last 7 day chart just in only 0.79% increase, but the last, my brother, last 24-hour fades down -2%. The price is decreased. The last 1 hour, you can see here 0.32% decrease. So it's mean to the price is continuously decreasing now, my brother, and therefore I will tell you this is an emergency to you or never lost, because if you are subscribed ABS channel, so ABS channel will never losting you, my brother. Remember, ABS channel will give you guarantee, my brothers, to if you subscribe this channel, then you never lost, my brother. So as you not subscribe, please subscribe this channel. This time you can see, my brother, the Theta Network price is 8.83 USD dollar, and the price is very badly fails down. You know why I predicate this coin? I share my opinion, and yes, my friend, I do technical analyze. So what they do? So last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to especially from last 3 days this coin is very badly fades down. But you can see, my friend, after a Sunday, you can see here Friday, my friend, you can see Saturday, Sunday, you can see, my friend, they will change occur now. But after this, my friend, you can see they again fades down. So it's mean, my brothers, to this process continuously, my brother. After a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fades down. So, my friend, the resistance line, as you can see here, they are recover exactly, my friend. They are recovered just in only in 2 days, my friend. All lost now. So therefore, I will tell you, to Theta Network, one of the stable coin, they cannot fades down, and its priority, my friends, from a lot of coins. So this time, as you can see, my brother, Theta Network is decreasing now from last 24-hour. And what's the main reason? The reason is that, my friends, to this coin is fades down. There are two big reasons, my friend. The main reason is that to holder are starting selling. This time you could see here, especially short-term investor. When short-term investors see the short fails, then absolutely they're starting selling. And the second reason is that, my friends, to a lot of from our videos, my friend, you know about the crypto market is Theta Network is a lot of channels, a lot of, my friend, famous people collaborate, companies collaborate. So therefore he is cancel the collaboration. So therefore, you know, this is the very big update, my friend, and especially Theta Network officially tweeted now. So therefore I see it, and absolutely he is cancelled now. So let's see, my brothers, to he collaborate more and more. But absolutely the Theta Network is a very good team now. But I hope, my brothers, to Theta Network will wake up again now, and if a lot of company, especially Amazon, if they will collaborate, so exactly, my friends, they will move upward now very fastly. So let's see to what they do. But kindly, holders, you need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative updates and videos. Like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.